welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a celebration because you know it's lit.
Go Betty, go Betty, go me, go me, it's your birthday.
Well, it's not my birthday, it's more like my anniversary. It's been one whole year since I big chopped my hair, so I've been completely natural for one whole year, so I'm super excited and hype about it. You guys should already know I'm always hype and excited when it comes to my hair because your girl did it. I am thriving. Well, my hair is thriving, it's growing, it's getting long. I'm learning how to manage it. It's way easier than what it was in the beginning, but y'all, it was hard. It's a long time coming. It was hard. Sometimes I got frustrated and just wanted to give up, but I didn't. So here I am. So congratulations are in order to me. So a little background on my hair. I transitioned for a year and some months. I'm not quite sure how long. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I did do a video on it. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link it up above in the cards as well as down below in the description box. So check that out. But I transitioned for that long, and to be honest, I actually didn't want to transition. I didn't want to go natural at first because I was terrified. I was scared. I heard all the little horror stories about it being so hard. They can't deal with the two textures. Their hair is breaking off. All type of craziness. But I was like, sis, you got this. You can do it. And I did it. Here I am, growing and thriving. But I did it. So I big chopped August. So I did it, and when I big chop, I was still terrified because I was like, what in the hell? What am I supposed to do with my hair? It was super duper short. It was completely new and different to me, but I got the hang of it now. I think I do. You know, I'm getting better at it, so it gets easier with time. And what helped me stay motivated and to keep pushing and not go back to the creamy crack was the fact that I was documenting my journey and I was taking pictures. It don't even have to go up onto YouTube. Just taking pictures of your hair or taking little videos of whatnot, just so that you can see your progress, definitely helps, because it's hard to see the progress on a daily basis because you see yourself on a daily, so you might not notice those slight subtle changes. But take a picture now and take a picture 3 months from now. I'm pretty sure you will see a difference. And if you don't, at least you'll know that whatever you're doing isn't working, so you could, you know, fix that and whatnot. But I did that, so that definitely helped. And I don't know, you guys, I don't know. Most likely I won't do any more hair updates. I might do one 6 months from now, but I will definitely do one at my 2-year mark. And my goal for my 2-year mark is to double my hair in length. Like, it only makes sense to me that if I could grow my hair this long in a year, then I should be able to grow it this long again in another year. So it should be double the length, right? It makes sense to me in my head. So cross your fingers, send me a prayer, wish me good luck, and hopefully all goes well and my hair will be double the length and it's gonna be super duper long. And when it's that long, ain't nobody gonna be able to tell me nothing. Absolutely nothing. Like nothing. You can't tell me nothing now. You're definitely not gonna be able to tell me anything later. So we'll see. And I will do a length check now so you guys can see how long I was able to grow my hair compared to when I first big chop. Hopefully I'll be able to do it side by side so you can really see the difference. And I probably should have wore like a white shirt, anything besides black, so you can see my hair, because like, sis, it makes no sense, but whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also share this video with your friends and your family, and tell them to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, just so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.